Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we're going to cover a critical topic for freelancers and online entrepreneurs: cybersecurity for your side hustle. If you work online, your income, clients, and reputation are at risk if you don't take proper precautions. Before we start, hit the like button, subscribe to Cibertips, and turn on notifications. We bring you weekly insights to stay safe online, and today we'll make sure your digital business is protected. Running a side hustle is rewarding but risky. Hackers aren't only after big corporations, they also target small freelancers. Small businesses are easier targets because owners often focus on growth rather than security. Imagine spending months building your freelance career, only to find your payment account drained by hackers. It's more common than you think. The first step in protecting yourself is understanding threats. Phishing is a major one. Hackers send emails or messages that look legitimate, asking for payment updates or account verification. Clicking a malicious link can give them full access to your accounts. Phishing attacks are becoming sophisticated logos, real-looking emails, even personal information. Never click links in emails asking for sensitive info. Always log in directly through official websites and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This simple step can stop most attacks. Malware is another threat. Hackers can install malicious software through downloads, attachments, or browser extensions. Malware can steal credentials, capture keystrokes, or spy on your activities silently. Keep software updated, install trusted antivirus tools, and avoid unverified downloads. Scan all attachments and external drives. Passwords remain a weak point for many freelancers. Avoid weak or reused passwords. Use strong combinations and a password manager to securely store and generate credentials. Public Wi-Fi is another risk. Hackers can intercept data on open networks in cafes, airports, or co-working spaces. Use a VPN to encrypt your connection. It's a simple but highly effective step. Payment platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Venmo can be targeted. Enable two-factor authentication, monitor transactions, and avoid unofficial payment methods. Social engineering is a subtle but dangerous threat. Hackers may impersonate clients or create urgency to trick you into giving access or money. Always verify client identities, request contracts, and double-check payment instructions. Cloud storage, including Google Drive or Dropbox, must be secured. Enable two-factor authentication, encrypt sensitive files, and maintain backups. This ensures your client data is safe even if a platform is breached. Browser security is often overlooked. Hackers can exploit browser vulnerabilities to steal session cookies or inject code. Keep browsers updated, limit extensions, and consider a dedicated browser for sensitive tasks like banking or client communication. Email is the gateway to most accounts. Secure it with strong, unique passwords, two-factor authentication, and awareness of phishing tactics. A compromised email can give hackers access to everything. Two-factor authentication deserves emphasis. It adds an extra layer of security. Even if a hacker obtains your password, they can't log in without the second factor. Ransomware is a real threat. It can lock you out of devices or files, demanding payment. Regular offline and cloud backups prevent permanent data loss. Encrypt backups for additional security. Mobile devices are also vulnerable. Smartphones and tablets can be attacked through phishing, malware, or insecure apps. Use strong locks, update your OS, and install apps only from trusted sources. Client communication must be verified. Hackers may impersonate clients through emails or messaging apps. Always confirm identities, scan files, and avoid sharing sensitive information without verification. Physical security is important too. Laptops or phones can be stolen, exposing sensitive data. Encrypt devices, use strong authentication, and consider tracking software. Online platforms and marketplaces also pose risks. Hackers may attempt account takeovers. Enable all security features, monitor activity, and report suspicious behavior immediately. Key habits for freelancers to stay safe. Use strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Keep software and systems updated. Use VPNs on public Wi-Fi. Verify clients before sharing sensitive info. Backup files offline and in the cloud. Stay aware of phishing, malware, and social engineering. Secure mobile devices and laptops with encryption. Cybersecurity is more than tech, it's awareness and habit. By implementing these strategies, you can protect your side hustle, income, and reputation. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share with other freelancers. Comment if you faced a cyber threat, and we'll discuss solutions. Staying informed is your strongest defense in the digital world.